Welcome back to Tech Talks from Commercial Baking. In this episode, sponsored by GEA, I am speaking with Ricardo Piscola, North America Bakery Market Manager, and we are discussing the GEA Bake Depositor and how it benefits a range of cookie production operations. Hi, Ricardo. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Hey, Joni, thanks so much for having me here today.
So I am really excited to talk to you about GEA and this specific technology. But I'm also just excited to chat with you because it's always a joy talking to you. You're so fun and so smart. So I am really just thrilled to have this time with you today.
Thank you. And I'm also very excited to be here and to be talking to you. It's wonderful to see you again. So thanks again for the opportunity.
Absolutely. So let's just start out with a quick overview of GEA and sort of the range of product offerings. I know we're going to talk about a specific technology, but you do manufacture more than just cookie technology. So can you just give me a quick background?
Yes, so of course. So as you mentioned, I'm the market manager for GEA's Bakery Technology Division in North America, and I closely work with the GEA or the GEA folks from our bakery technology centers in Italy. And together we develop solutions for our projects here in the US and also in Canada. We also have a dedicated team here in the US and North America that's composed of sales engineers and also service technicians that are available to support our customers and to ensure a smooth operation of GEA's existing installations in this region. So GEA Bakery is a leading supplier of a wide range of standalone equipment and also complete turnkey processing lines. So as you mentioned, we supply equipment and complete lines for cookies, but we also supply equipment for hard sweet biscuits and crackers, for cake products like muffins, loaf cakes, and cupcakes. And we also have processing lines for fully assembled and decorated layered cakes, processing lines for pies and tarts, quiches, and also pizza. So our lines range from either semi-automatic setups for small to mid-scale productions to fully automated systems for larger industrial operations. And our technology centers are located in Schio and Verona in Italy, and this is where we design, engineer, and manufacture all of our solutions for the bakery market. Additionally, we also collaborate with other divisions within GEA to integrate downstream product conveying and packaging systems, offering our customers a seamless one-stop solution for complete processing lines. Our Italian bakery technology centers are also home to our innovation and research and development teams, and it's these teams that work very closely with our engineering department and market managers like myself in different regions across the globe to stay ahead of new technology trends and also market demands.
You all provide just a range of technology solutions, and that's incredible. Today, though, I do want to focus on GEA's latest technology, and that is the Bake Depositor. Can you walk me through some of the key features of the depositor and what drove the innovation behind the Bake Depositor's development and design?
Absolutely. So the latest technology that we've introduced, as you mentioned, is the GEA Bake Depositor, and it's available in two models, the LC and the 2LC. The innovation was driven by the goal of creating a standardized, compact, and very cost-effective solution for our customers. And particularly, we're targeting the small to mid-size artisanal bakeries. It's perfect for bakers who use tray-based rack ovens for their deposited and wire-cut cookies, but it's also flexible enough to deposit these products directly onto a conveyor or an oven band for tunnel ovens. So this technology employs a set of grooved rollers and a low pump system to precisely force the batter through a nozzle for deposited cookies or a die plate for wire cut cookies. And the machine's productivity is exceptional for its size. It achieves up to 40 strokes per minute for deposited cookies and up to 100 strokes per minute for wire cut cookies. Now, depending on the setup, the capacity ranges from 400 to 600 kilograms per hour, which is 900 to 1,300 pounds per hour. So that's a lot of cookies.
It's a lot of cookies.
Yeah.
So the Bake Depositor is available in two models, the LC and the 2LC. Can you tell me what the key differences are in each of those models? And then help me understand how a baker should know which model is the right one for their operation.
Absolutely. So the key difference between the 2LC and the LC models is that the 2LC comes with two heads, allowing for both monocolor and also bicolor batter deposits, while the LC version supports only monocolor deposits. So both models are mounted on a C frame for easy mobility within the plant, making it convenient to move for cleaning or for maintenance purposes. And also both models are available in standard widths of 660 millimeters, which corresponds to 26 inches, and 450 millimeters or 18 inches. The design also enables the production of a wide range of cookies, and this includes cookies with single or dual color batters, such as checkered styles, intricate designs like heart-shaped centers on a dark chocolate dough, cookies with inclusions like chocolate chips or nuts, cookies with a center filling, filled bars like fruit bars, also two-color twisted bars, and much more. We can talk for the next 5 minutes about the different types of cookies that could be made on these systems. The LC model, on the other hand, is best suited for single-color products without any fillings.
Okay, that totally makes sense. I want to talk to you about something else, and that is sanitary design. Sanitation is huge in any bakery operation, but it's especially important for cookie manufacturers who are dealing with really sticky dough, right? Can you explain to me how GEA addresses these challenges of cleaning and maintenance and accessibility in the design of this particular piece of equipment?
So this is actually a crucial aspect for our customers, and it's something that we prioritize in the design of all of our equipment and turnkey solutions. So for example, when we design a process line, for instance, whether for an existing space or a new greenfield facility, accessibility for cleaning and for maintenance is always a key consideration. And it's something that we discuss with the client and also review together when we're looking at the layout. So for this particular machine, we've made cleaning incredibly simple. Firstly, the machine is constructed entirely from stainless steel, which ensures durability and hygiene. In addition, all surfaces on the machine are sloped to promote natural water drainage, reducing the risk of bacterial growth from potential water that may accumulate and stagnate after the cleaning process. A specially designed trolley also fits seamlessly against the front of the machine, allowing the depositor head, which includes the hopper, the low pump system, and the dosing plate, to be easily removed for cleaning and for maintenance purposes. Once the depositing head is on the trolley, the lobe system and the dosing plate can be disassembled quickly and without the need for any special tools. If a second head is available, then switching from one product type to another can be completed in just under 5 minutes. We've also enhanced accessibility to the motors in the control cabinet for maintenance by positioning the components in the control cabinet at an ergonomic height, making it easier for the operators to service the equipment comfortably.
So there's something else that I want to talk to you about, and that's sustainability. It's another thing that's really important for any baker, but I'm curious from the customers that you deal with, how important is it for cookie producers specifically? And how is this another way that GEA is addressing this through the bake depositor?
Of course. So I completely agree that sustainability has been a major focus, especially at the recent conferences that we've been to together. At the end of the day, GEA places a significant importance on this issue as well. Just a quick fact, GEA was recently recognized in the famous Time magazine as top 500 most sustainable companies worldwide. And out of those 500 companies, GEA was ranked number 33. So one of the standout sustainable innovation or features of the GEA Bake Depositor is the integration of specialized SEW drives within the control cabinet. And all of these drives are connected via a common DC bus. The system captures and recycles kinetic energy generated from braking motors, using it to power other motors that would normally rely on the main power supply. And as a result, this approach achieves a significant 10% reduction in electrical energy consumption. Additionally, we've also introduced a new intuitive human-machine interface, HMI, that significantly reduces operator training. And this is especially beneficial to bakeries with high staff turnover. The updated screens on the HMI panel feature 3D visual representations of the machine's components. Additionally, it allows for the inclusion of high-resolution images of the specific product, or the cookie in this case, that's being produced, which appears when selecting a recipe for a production run, to verify recipe parameters by matching them with the product image, rather than relying solely on SKU numbers and complex codes that would otherwise be given to the product in the HMI.
It's amazing. Okay, I just have one final question for you, Ricardo, and that is How can a baker get in touch to learn more about GEA and about this bake depositor technology?
Absolutely. So the baker could learn more about this technology is, of course, through GEA's website, visiting www.gea.com and typing in the search engine, the GEA Bake Depositor. But I recommend, just reaching out to me. I'd be happy to speak to the baker about the technology and also to show them reference videos and maybe even set up a site visit to our technology center in Verona, Italy, which is also a great place to go to.
Absolutely, it is. Absolutely. And I can say that you are at every trade show. So bakers should just look out for your face, remember your face, and you will be at just about every industry event as well.
That's correct.
Well, Ricardo, thank you so much for taking time to talk to me about all of the technology that you offer and especially the GEA Bake Depositor. This is an incredible new technology for your company, and I think it's going to be a game changer for cookie producers in our industry.
Thank you so much, Joni, for having me here today. This has been a great opportunity.